by way of knockout Liu.
Oh, great start there from Pramrab. Ooh. Oh, big elbow. Body shot there from Samin Kao. Again, going targeting the body there. Oh. Samin Kao edging forward, but keeps walking into those kicks. Here's Pramrab now, good left hook there.
Both fighters willing to go to war, really looking to hurt each other.
Yeah, absolutely, number one. Beautiful body. Don't think Pramrab is enjoying those body shots as Samin Kao. Oh, big elbow strike there. Again, yeah. Oh, good elbow. 1-2 there, and again. And again, big elbow strike from Pramrab. Because one always assumes that if you there's a Myanmar fighter that he's probably versing left way, which is basically Muay Thai with wraps.
Yeah, we can see Pramrab who's he's hurt,
shots,
and he's hurt.
Shots. Problems for Pramrab. Still good elbow. For a minute there, he looked like he was about to wilt under the pressure of Samin Kao. Spinning back elbow that connects. But like I said, going to the head of a Burmese fighter doesn't always work out in your favor.
Samin Kao, an absolute tank right.
Elbow through the guard for Pramrab. Good left kick.
Oh!
Pramrab, he turned his back.
Oh, down he goes.
Massive right hand from Pramrab. Knocking down by the builder. Watch. Let's see again, you can see the body shots that hurt Pramrab. Going in with a spinning back elbow that did actually connect, but did not hurt Samin Kao. There's that right hand. And that was basically the beginning of the end. And there again, he caught him with that right hand. As you can see, Pramrab, he wanted that counter elbow strike again, but he walked in there to that right hand. And like Antoine says, I think we need to see Samin Kao back on RWS as soon as possible. A very memorable debut for the White Lion here on RWS. Make this one official.
By way of knockout Liu.